In this video, we're going to make some lovely quiche. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are not using any ready-made pastry, you can watch our last video where I shared an easy pastry recipe from scratch. First thing, blanch all the vegetables we want to add in our quiche. I have the full recipe in the description and on our website. I always blanch my vegetables in salty water so it gets some seasoning and retain the lovely colors. Remember not to let them soak in the water for too long. As soon as they are cooled down, squeeze out the water and put it in a separate bowl. If you are in rush, I would recommend you to use frozen spinach from the store. Okay, once vegetables are done, it's time to make the cheese sauce. For that, I'm using eggs, nutmeg, then whisk. As I said earlier on, you can get the full recipe amounts in the description below. Next, I'm adding 3 different types of cheese. You can do this just with ricotta alone if that's more convenient. Then mix and add the vegetables. I would recommend you to chop them before you put in the sauce. After that, give it a good mix until all comes together. Now it's time to fill them up. Make sure not to overfill them. I'm saving the leftover for another time. Last thing, I will add some asparagus. It is something you don't have to if you don't want. Once that's done, just cook it in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes at 165 degrees. Usually after 20 minutes it should be done if the oven is fan assisted. If not, cook until you get this nice color and caramelizations. That's it. Now it's your time to make it and let me know how was it.